Welcome to Lesson 7 on the levels of body organization. We begin with the fundamental hierarchy of life. Cells form tissues, tissues form organs, organs form systems, and systems form the whole body. Cytology is the scientific study of cells and their functions. The cell is the fundamental unit of life, and all tissues and organs in the body are formed of cells. While cells have different sizes and shapes depending on their specialization, all human cells share three primary structures: the nucleus, which contains genetic material, the cytoplasm, the intracellular fluid where metabolic processes occur, and the cell membrane, the protective outer barrier. Moving to slide 2, we examine histology, which is the study of tissue. Tissues are formed when like cells are grouped together to perform an activity. There are 4 types of tissue in the body: muscle tissue, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, and nervous tissue. Let us focus on muscle tissue, which produces movement in the body by contracting and is composed of individual muscle cells called muscle fibers. There are 3 basic types of muscles and locations. Skeletal muscle is attached to bones. Smooth muscle is located in internal organs, such as the intestine and uterus, and cardiac muscle is found only in the heart. On slide 3, we study the remaining tissue types and organs. Epithelial tissue, known as epithelium, is found as a lining for internal organs and covering for the skin. These close-packed cells function to form a protective barrier in skin, absorb nutrients in the lining of the intestine, secrete in sweat glands, and excrete wastes in kidney tubules. Connective tissue supports and protects the body and includes adipose, bone, cartilage, and tendons. Nervous tissue is composed of cells called neurons, forming the brain, spinal cord, and nerves to conduct electrical impulses. Finally, organs are composed of several types of tissue working together as a unit to perform special functions. For example, the stomach contains muscle fibers, nerve tissues, and epithelial tissue. Slide 4 introduces anatomical systems, which are composed of several organs working together in a coordinated manner. For example, the digestive system includes the stomach, plus the mouth, esophagus, liver, pancreas, small intestine, and colon working together to digest and absorb food. Next is the integumentary system, which forms a two-way barrier and regulates temperature. Its organs include the skin, hair, nails, sweat glands, and sebaceous glands. The musculoskeletal system is divided into the skeleton, which supports and protects the body, forms blood cells, and stores minerals through bones and joints, and the muscles, which produce movement through muscular organs. On slide 5, we examine the cardiovascular system, which pumps blood to transport nutrients, oxygen, and wastes. Its organs are the heart, arteries, and veins. Closely integrated is the blood or hepatic system, which transports oxygen, protects against disease, and controls bleeding. Blood consists of plasma, erythrocytes or red blood cells, leukocytes or white blood cells, and platelets. We also examined the lymphatic system, which protects the body from immunity threats. Its organs include lymph nodes, lymphatic vessels, the spleen, the thymus gland, and the tonsils. Slide 6 covers the respiratory, gastrointestinal, and urinary systems. The respiratory system obtains oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. Its organs are the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchial tubes, and lungs. The gastrointestinal system ingests, digests, and absorbs nutrients. Its organs include the oral cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, colon, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. The urinary system filters waste and removes it from the body via micturition. Its organs are the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. On slide 7, we study the reproductive and endocrine systems. The female reproductive system produces eggs and provides a place for fetal development. Its organs are the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, vagina, vulva, and breasts. The male reproductive system produces sperm. Its organs include the testes, epididymis, vas deferens, penis, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and bulbourethral glands. The endocrine system regulates metabolic activity across all systems. Its organs are the pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, thymus gland, pancreas, adrenal glands, ovaries, and testes. We conclude on slide 8 with the nervous system and special senses from page 8 of our lesson. The nervous system receives sensory information and coordinates responses throughout the body. Its primary organs are the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. Finally, we examine the special senses of the eyes and ears. Vision is governed by the eyes, which detect light and visual images, while hearing and balance are regulated by the ears, which detect acoustic vibrations and vestibular equilibrium.